Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze ICP. None of the content is financial advice. Over the last 24 hours, ICP was the leading crypto, rallying by about 8.5%. Leader among the last 7 days, up 100%. Over the last 30 days, almost 200%. And over the last 90 days, about 66%. Right now, the price of ICP is above $9. And over the last couple of weeks, we did make several videos related to ICP on the channel. If you want to check them out, this is the homepage of the website cryptoweeklies.com, link on the bottom of your screen. All of the videos related to posted on YouTube are available over here on the channel. ICP we covered 5 days ago as well as a couple of weeks ago and also 3 days ago. Since then, lot has changed. The lower high structure has been taken out by ICP's recent rally. This lower high structure coincided with the Fibonacci level at $20 in March 2024, then again December 2024 at 0.382, first at 0.5, and now potentially again with this breakout, the next level to watch is at around $11. If and only if the this week, that is till about Sunday, price stays meaningfully about that target of about $8.60. So that by then, if that is achieved, then the rally could continue. Again, none of the content financial advice. The next area of support is that 50-week simple moving average at around $6.40. That's the blue line over here. And then the trailing secondary level of support all the way at about 20-week simple moving average and the 21-week exponential moving average. You can take that as a close enough to $5 level. So those are the levels to the upside and to the downside to watch for the technical analysis. If there is a major breakout, then 0.382 is at around $16. Coming to the machine learning side of things, the estimated bull run peak in this next couple of months using the machine learning models, the non-euphoria bull run peak estimated for ICP at a weekly average is at around $12. Again, weekly averages again are lower in value, about 10 to 20% than the actual candle body high. So for example, in March 2024, the weekly average price at the peak was at around $18, whereas the eventual peak was at around $20.70. So keep that in mind. Again, these models deal with weekly average price. For end of December, in a non-euphoria bull run fashion, if the bull run concludes towards the end of the December, is at around the price forecasted is at around $12.48. If there is a euphoria case for ICP, a sustained euphoria, that is, then the target per the machine learning model is at around $26. That means again adding that 10-20% increment on that is at around $30 for the weekly high. So the $30 target for ICP is again close enough to the non-euphoria peak of 2021 for ICP. Again, during the launch, the price was crazy high. Again, we are not considering that for the Fibonacci levels. We are considering the November peak and also what happened towards the end of year 2021 as the key level to watch for ICP. Then with that in mind, again, if there is a rally to the $30 level, then the Fibonacci levels would be at around 0.786. Again, that suggesting a strong area of confluence in that macro high picture if there is sustained euphoria. Right now, the rally for ICP has taken every other peer by surprise. Again, it's the leader in 24 hours, 7-day and 30-day as well as 90 days over performance. You can see the overall crypto market right now is contending with that. Are the bullish narratives higher or bearish? It's kind of a fight between the bulls and the bears, where equal amount of bullish and bearish narratives are available out there. But again, the altcoin related narrative is not as strong. Bitcoin related narratives are strong at this point. The overall market sentiment is again not close to a peak as it relates to the model of overall composite risk, as at only at around 34%. The year-to-date ROI for major cryptos such as Bitcoin, and even again over here, if you look at ICP for 2025, again there is a huge surge from negative 71%. Again, still it's negative from the yearly open, but only negative 21%. So that is still again a lot of area for ICP to gain again, to have a ROI similar to, let's say, Bitcoin or some other major cryptos over here, such as ETH for matter again, which is moving in locksteps with BTC. So these analytics are all available on cryptoweeklies.com. The 20-week simple moving average price based risk for both Bitcoin and ETH is fairly low right now, and the overall sentiment over the last 24 hours is equally bullish and bearish. Coming back to and by the way, all of these analytics are available on the top of the indicator section of the homepage. So we watch the crypto TLDR over here. That's the news sentiment, and the peak value, which is the overall bull market completion related indicators, and the narrative cloud, which was the word cloud over here of the popular narratives in the market. The heat map is where we analyze the barometer of which of the cryptos of the top 50 variety, which exists since 2020, is kind of running the show right now. The SMA risk is over here, that we just saw. And last but not the least is the estimated bull run target for cryptos such as ICP. Again, what we have is individual risk based models. Again, the regression risk has risen quite a bit. That's what we were looking for the regression risk to go to its parabolic peak, so that if there is a change in the regression function, that could be accommodated. By change, I mean over here, if you look at ICP in terms of its regression based model or the DCA model, both are governing under the framework of the regression based risk. You can see the peak regression based risk is it's a non-linear model, so the regression based fair value was going down with time as ICP was making lows from lower lows and lower highs since about March 2024. With that breakout over here, the two standard deviation residual base fair value based residual was at around $4.30. Now the price has broken out of that ceiling. If there is a sustained rally from this point on, the slope of the regression function could take this kind of trajectory where if the bottom is in, then the regression based fair value slope kind of has a upward swing. Right now that has not happened, but still should not deter from analyzing ICP from other perspectives, such as time weighted average price, which is a major risk level for ICP, which is coming in at around $15.90. So that blue line ICP has never managed to take out as resistance. So let's see if in this rally if it could do that. If not, again, that could be an area of interest to look for any major milestones or distribution. In terms of the 20-week simple moving average price risk, again, has risen quite a bit as the price has moved away from the 20-week simple moving average, which is all the way at around $5. If we look at some of the topping patterns, if it could go to the max of the channel, it's at around $15 again, kind of meeting that time weighted average price risk at that point as well. So that could be an area of somewhat of a turbulence for ICP. All in all, the estimated bull run peak, as mentioned previously for ICP, the base case scenario, again, the price did reach. We did make several videos of how price could go to $8. You can check them out since the last 2.5 weeks. Right now the price is above that target. The next target is at all the way at around $14, roughly speaking. That's where the time weighted average price, the SMA top of the channel and the bull peak top of the channel could meet, and then the stretch goal for ICP is all the way at about $20. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.